I'm gonna have this same preface for like 3 videos. Y'all, what I think about the goodness of Jesus. Get him in order and get him in line. I love it. Hey girl, hey. I'm feeling them softly, bruh. Can I get an amen? Your mama, your aunties, grandma, now, yeah. Yeah, already so cute. Did you see that West Kiss video she did? Morning, y'all. Okay, listen, since I be having to say stuff before I get started, I'm gonna have this same preface for like 3 videos. So I'm just telling you that. While I'm here, let me just tell you what I have here. 20-inch Afro Kinky headband wig from West Kiss. I done tore they box up, y'all. This looks super curly. Let's see what we working with. Horse headbands. Butterflies, yay!
Butterflies in the sky. I can go twice as high.
Zebras, my daughter's fave. A glory headband. I call these glory headbands. The real sparkly ones. It's a white one too. You wear this one on Women's Day. At the church, this the headband you wear with your headband wig on Women's Day. You see, you put that one on and you folk know that you all right with the Lord, because see, you are in decency and in order with your headband selection. A piece of elastic. I never use these, especially if they are not attached at all and I gotta sew them on. I'm not gonna do it. One of the lay your edges down wraps. Yes. This when you need to lay the bad boys down and get them in order and get them in line. Thank you card. Wig care tips. This is the 20-inch Afro Kinky headband wig. I'm telling you now, the curls look beautiful already. Standard headband wig. This is the standard headband with the Velcro at the ends. 5 clips. Those clips that you open and close. Oh yeah, these are the curls. Y'all, I have a feeling if I juice it a little bit and brush it out with my Denman brush, ooh, I got a feeling it's gonna be a cute, I'm gonna go with the flow. I'm not even gonna put myself in a box, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna get my face together, minus my brow. I can't touch my brows. I just cannot right now. They're in the healing process. So I'm gonna be talking about my brows. Did you see that West Kiss video she did? Ooh. Let me try it on right now. I'm not gonna do my swoopadoops right now because I'm just seeing. I'm just gonna put it on and strap the Velcro in the back. Off bat, the hair is really soft. I felt like it was going to be really, really, really soft. I'm just gonna juice a section so that you see, that you know what I'm talking about when I say juicy, when I be juicing these wigs. Most of y'all know, but I know I have a lot of new subbies. Hey girl, hey, hey girl, hey. Y'all don't realize the blessing, like over this past year, the blessing that y'all have been to my channel. I cannot. What I think about the goodness of Jesus. Yeah, I be playing, but I be for real. God is so good. Y'all dope, y'all dope, y'all dope. All my subscribers, man, y'all are seriously like super legit. Get this section nice and damp. Oh yeah. Oh. I'm gonna start at the ends, work my way up. And I'm trying to be very careful because I do not have this clipped in. So this is just a slippity slide all on the top of my head. Ooh. That's clumping. You know, sometimes in wigs you see them nice, thick, pretty curls. You could just take a section of it and just kind of twirl it around your brush. There we go. And you'll get that nice cute curl. Or you could take some curling custard and do that. That's a great way to clump those curls. I have this Smooth and Shine curl defining gel. I know I have curling custard somewhere, but I'm not finna look for it. This is just like a jelly type gel. Look at that big old clump. Ooh. Yeah. That's cute. I'm gonna do that to this whole wig and then I'll be right back with my thoughts. Okay? All right, hold on. you how pretty these curls are. You just gotta see it for yourself. They are so cute. If you're just tuning in to the final result commentary, I did my juicing, but I clumped the curls. I showed you a couple different ways that you can do that with your brush or with just your fingers. I used a very soft curling gel. Yeah, that is so cute. These curls are so flipping cute. I'm gonna let it air dry and then I'll have content at the end with what it looks like once it's all air dried. It's going to be so cute. I can tell already because it's already so cute. This wig is like, bruh, I'm killing them in these headband wig streets, bruh. I'm killing them softly, bruh. It's so fluffy and the curls are very, very pretty. Again, this is 20 inches from West Kiss. Of course, you guys, the information will be in the description box. This is virgin human hair. So you have all the amenities that go with that. You can press it, you could color it, bleach it, whatever you want to do to make it your own. You have those capabilities. The shelf life is much longer because of that. The density is 250% and I love it. 250% with like kinky curly hair is just the bomb. That's how I know it's when it's dry all the way, we're not coming to play. You do not have to do the swoopa-doops like I do. They don't have to be ignorant at all. So I don't want you to stress yourself out thinking you gotta have ignorant edges to make this look pop. You don't. Case closed. It need not be a worry when it comes to headband wigs. These curls are so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and let this air dry and then I'll come back with content. But y'all, let me know if you're feeling this one. Let me know if you're feeling this one. Let me know if you're feeling this one because I'm feeling this one. Let me just calm down because yeah. Kinky curly is that this yeah. Date night hair. Out with your man, out with your lady, out with your besties, out with whoever you out with, your mama, your aunties, grandma, now. You can throw this on. Put on your Women's Day headband and the Lord didn't say you couldn't be fly. I didn't read that scripture. You know, just give him the praise for it, for the flyness. I believe that's where you got to do that, and then you be fly all the days of your life. And these headband wigs make it that much easier. Can I get an amen? I preach this if I want to now. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not done so already. Join the family. Join the fun. I said join the fun. If you have any questions, let me know. Or just stop and say hey like y'all do. I love reading y'all comments. I do. Some of y'all be cracking me up, bruh. Like y'all are so my spirit cousins for real. I love it. I love y'all. All right, y'all. Be safe, be sweet. And in the meantime, in between time, I wish you all peace, love, light. Bye.